Hello, and welcome to version 4.6 using the new F distributions function in the statistical distributions menu. We begin from the home screen by selecting statistical distributions, and we'll want to arrow down until we see F distributions, CDF. Here it is. So I'm going to click on that, and now the F distribution depends only on the two sample sizes. So you'll notice that you'll want to enter only the two sample sizes and then the bounds that you're interested in. So I'm going to pick a particular problem here from the book, and the first sample size is 8, the second sample size is 10, and I want to find the probability that a random variable would between 1 and 2, and so I'm going to click calculate first, and I can see that the probability, or the area under the curve, is 0.3236977. Of course, if I click graph, I'll get a visual representation of that. And so here's the graph. This is what you normally think of when you think of a F distribution. Of course, I have all the relevant information. The area under the curve is displayed. The interval on which I'm asking is also displayed. And like I said, this is the picture you normally associate with the F distribution. However, as you change these values here, you can get a considerably different looking curve because it is only defined based on these two sample sizes. And so if I pick two sample sizes, let's just say 4 and 5, for example, and not even affect the bounds, I can see when I do that, I will get a considerably different curve. You can see the whole curve has been shifted over now to the left, and it looks a little different. And in fact, I can really make this look very extremely different just by affecting these sample sizes. And so when you are working these problems, you can't have a preset picture for the F curve, because the F distribution is actually a family of curves. It is not a single curve like the normal distribution or the student T distribution. So here you see I've upped the sample sizes, and when I do that, you can see that this curve looks wholly different from the first curve we looked at. It is still the F distribution because the F distribution is a family of curves. Those curves are defined by the two sample sizes, and so you want to keep that in mind when you're working with the F distribution. Don't freak out when you see the curve change slightly. You expect it to do that. And this ends the session on using the F distribution in the statistical distributions menu.